Everything in the universe vibrates, including you and I. We're either at a high frequency of vibration or a low frequency. And Bob used to talk about the fact that there are millions of levels of vibration or frequency, all the way from the lowest level of fear to the highest level of love. And there are almost too many to label and identify, but many people have attempted to label levels of frequency. David Hawkins has his scale, the map of consciousness, which goes all the way from fear and hate all the way up to love and positive expectations and everything in between. Other people have created frequency charts or emotional scales. Esther Hicks has created one, and they have 20, 30 different levels on them, and it still can be a little bit confusing. But generally speaking, low levels of energy or vibration are dark. They're heavy, they're troubling, they're low energy, they're in a state of dis-ease. And high levels of frequency contain feelings of light, joy, fulfillment, high energy, and being at ease.